So I'm going to do things in a little bit of a different order today. I'm going in with the Tammy X Revolution palette. I already did my base. I'm going to go into this matte deep teal color called Definitely. And we're gonna pack this on the lid. Okay, that's not as teal as I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna mix in some of this blue. I'm not one to usually mix colors too much because I feel like I never get them even. So I tilted the camera down so hopefully you can see more of me and less of the background. But do my eyes look really weird right now? I feel like they look very downturned and sad all of a sudden. But they're must be the shape I'm creating here. We'll lift everything back up at the end. To blend the edges of these colors, I am going in with the Next Morning from NYX. It's kind of like a Tiffany blue. And I'm just putting it on a crease brush like this. It's got like a dome kind of end. And then packing that along the edges so we get like a nice color payoff, and then kind of working it in. So I'm gonna just layer it up. This is more of just like a lighter version of the color I created on my lids. So it should blend with it fairly nice and give us that really like gradient effect. Now with a clean brush, I'm just gonna go over these edges that I have here and make them nice and soft. Now I am going to do my base and my brows off camera because they're pretty standard to what I'm going to be doing, and just kind of clean up this whole little mess, and then I will come back and we'll finish off the eyes because there's more I want to add, but it doesn't make sense to do it before I do my foundation. Alright, I had to change my shirt because I got foundation on the other one and I wanted to get it in the wash right away so it would not stain, but I have my brows and my foundation done. So now I am not going to put eyeliner on actually with this. I want it to be a linerless look, so I am just going to curl my eyelashes. And I'm still going to put false lashes on, but they're not going to be like full all the way across just because I wouldn't be able to really hide the band. So I'm going to put on some Benefit They're Real because I haven't used this in a little bit. Throw on some false lashes, so I'm just going to use these little half lashes and some glue and chuck these on. They're super easy to put on. Alright, so this just looks really light and kind of airy and a little bit less like heavy and dense like some of my looks do end up looking because of the eyeliner and lashes. So now I'm going to go in underneath the lower lash line, or actually right in the waterline, with this gray CoverGirl Point Perfect pencil. And we're just going to darken the waterline a bit. You can do this with a really bright pop of teal if you want to be like super monochromatic, but I think the gray just looks really pretty. It also just personally, for having green eyes, does a lot for your natural color. Like it gives it a good contrast. Then I'm just going to go in with a flat packing brush. I'm going to go into this color Ibiza that I've had and used many times. And we're going to pop this in the inner corner. Everything else is matte and this is just shimmery, so it will draw your eyes in like closer together. But when people look at it, it'll be like that. It like draws the eye to your eyes. It's very bright. Also in the lower lash line, I'm going to take this colored mascara from Wet n Wild. This is in the color Seafoam Green, and I'm going to put this on my lower lashes very carefully. To highlight, I'm going to go into my Vice palette. I'm going to go into this color here called Bone, which is a kind of shimmery bone color. And we're just going to go in underneath the arch of the brow, not the whole way across, just to give us a little more lift. And a little highlight right there. Now I'm going to contour just a little bit. I'm going to take my bronzer and just do a very little bit. I don't think this needs a whole lot. For blush, I'm going in with Yummy Cookies from ColourPop. It's kind of a light bronzy color, and I'm actually going to put this on the back end of my beauty blender and just pop it on the cheeks and blend it out. I've noticed doing this with ColourPop blushes makes everything look a little bit more natural and soft, so you don't end up with these big patches of non-blended blush. Finally, I'm going to take some white iridescent highlight and pick some up on my highlighting brush and just go in around my eye here. Like, you can't see it at every angle, but just when you catch the light just right, you'll get it. Like on the nose and on the Cupid's bow, just so it looks like shiny and like really fresh. For lips, finish it off, I'm going to use this lip pencil in Charm from ColourPop. It's like a seafoamy green. You can do a nude lip and like keep it real simple, or a glossy pink, but I wanted to do something kind of monochromatic all over. Lips, I'm going to use this color called Zap from BH Cosmetics. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy and try it out yourselves. Be bold and play with a little bit of color even on your lips, because I think this color looks really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.